How to use Airtable. To start, open Airtable, and here at home, you will see the recent tab. We have here the project and tasks. So, what is Airtable used for? Airtable is a cloud-based hybrid spreadsheet and database platform that allows users to organize, store, and collaborate on data without needing to learn complex database languages like SQL. So, let's go back to home. So, you can see here the project and tasks. So, we could add our own. So, tap the plus sign and then choose a template. So, for example, we would want to choose lemonade stand inventory. In here, you will see the inventory list and the main view. And then you could see the fields such as quantity in stock, unit price, next delivery, suppliers, notes, and pictures. Tap Add this base, select a workspace. So we have here the inventory list, and then we have sample records. So the red solo cups, the quantity is 100, and then we have there the price, suppliers, and also the picture. So, for example, you want to add a record, so tap plus sign. And then here, we could enter the quantities in stock, all the fields that you've seen earlier. So that's it. That's how to use Airtable.